Hello viewers, welcome to Code Mode. This is Imam Hussain and I am thrilled to see you here. So I hope you are enjoying my video and also this are video helpful for you. Am I right? Okay, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also please like, comment and share my video with your friends and with your colleagues. And also, if you have any good opinion about my video, please write down in the comment section. And I also would like to thank you again for your support and also for encouraging me to create a video. Okay, that's super for me. And like the same way, today we also do something new and we'll learn something new in JavaScript. So our today topic is while loop and do while loop in JavaScript, and how does while and do while loop work, and what is the purpose to use while and do while loop work. Everything we'll learn in this video. And so before learn while and do while loop, you have to know for loop. And you have to know the basic syntax of for loop and how does for loop work. Then while and do while loop will be easy for you. So I hope you have already watched my last video where I talk about for loop in JavaScript. Alright? Okay, that's fantastic for you and also for me. And I would like to remind you something that in JavaScript, there are four kind of loop in JavaScript. For example, a for loop, while loop, do while loop, and calling loop. Okay, but do you know what is the difference between for loop, while loop, do while loop, and calling loop? Actually, if I tell you that there is not much difference between for loop, while loop, do while loop, and calling loop. Why? Because these are loops we use to repeat our tags with conditionally. Am I right? Okay, so like the way we also will practice while and do while loop in this video. No worry about that. So let me create a basic syntax about while loop. This is a basic syntax. So before we learn like something we provide some condition like that, am I right? So like the same way you also work in here, but something will be different from for loop. All right, okay, no worry about that. So in our for loop we declare our condition like that, am I right? So less than or equal train. All right, okay, but here in the for loop we declare an index or any variable in the loop, but here don't have a chance to declare because we have to declare only condition in the for loop. So where we will declare for our variable. So let's declare a variable in here. So our variable name will be index. Anything you want you can provide. Our index, our variable value will be 0. Okay, that's fine. And our condition is our index number will be less than or equal train, right? Okay, fine. And now let's console log for getting output. So here I will provide backtick. Do you know why we use backtick? We use backtick to get dynamic value. For example, um, index value is, let me declare a dollar sign. Okay, so index. Okay, fine. Okay, if I run the code now, then you understand what is happening in here. I think you notice something, all right? While of working for with rapidly, it's not going to stop. Why? We declare just for we provide a condition, but we didn't define exactly how long our loop will work. It will increase or decrease. How will it increase or how will it decrease? We didn't provide any this type of definition, right? Okay, so let me provide a definition. How does loop work? So index will be increased step by step, one by one. So now I hope that we get output 02 002. Okay, sorry. Okay, I think that we got output 02 train. All right, okay, Fine. If you don't need to provide all the time plus plus, you can provide like this. Index number will be increased one time, two time in a way. So it's mean that our our variable below is 0, right? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 time. So all the time is increased with two time. Okay, I think you understand how does a while work. Okay, so I also would like to give you another example with array. You know that loop, mostly we use loop in array. All right. Okay. So declare. Let me declare a array. So array name will be my array. Okay. So what will be the array A? Sorry. And B, C. Sorry, C. Okay, fine. And now if I create a basic syntax about while loop, here I want to provide something condition. So for provide condition, we have to declare a variable. All right. Okay. Let me create a variable. Let we can provide anything. For example, I would like to provide my variable name will be arr equal 0. Okay. So my condition will be arr less than, sorry, arr less than, I would like to get length of the array. So array dot length. Okay, fine. Now if I console log with metric that value is what, my array, we want length, am I right? Which length? In AR length, our variable length. Okay, so ARR. Okay, fine. And provide the definition how it will work. It will work step by step or one by one. Okay, fine. Now if we run the code, it means that we got output A, B, and C. This is the length we are trying to find out. We are trying to find out. Okay, that's fine. I hope you understand how does while loop work. Okay, let's talk about do while loop. Okay, do while loop. So this is just basic syntax about do while loop. Do while loop, there is a condition, but condition execute end of the loop. Okay, so let me declare a variable. Let our variable name will be a score. Anything you want you can provide. Our variable will be 1. Okay. Now let me provide a let me create a console log where we want to get value. Okay, so score is what, our variable name is score. All right. Okay, fine. And definition will be score increase one by one. All right. Okay, fine. Okay, so let me now, this is time to provide a condition. What will be the condition? Condition will be score will be less than or equal 10. Anything you want you can provide. Now if I run the code, we got output 1 to 10. All right, anything once you can we provide, but our condition is score will be less than 10. All right, if I provide the score value will be 11, what will be happen? We got score 11. Why? Because in do while loop, condition will be executed end of the loop, but this loop will be executed past. All right, that's a reason we got output as 11. So Rarely we use do while loop, but most of the time we use for loop in our JavaScript functionality or anywhere when you need to use for loop. Loop you use for loop. All right. Rarely we use while loop and do while loop. Okay. Thank you so much. I hope you understand exactly how does while and do while loop work, and also what is the purpose to use while and do while loop. And thank you so much for watching this video. I am really appreciate to see you here, and I absolutely hope that you will wait for my next video. Thank you so much.